there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a half granny square that you can use to fill the gaps in your blankets or make different color granny squares like you see here. So let's get started. Make a magic circle. And then we start by chaining 4, and this counts as a double crochet plus 1 chain. Then into the magic circle make 3 double crochet, that's second one, and then third one, then chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into that magic circle. Chain 1 and then 1 more double crochet. Then pull the tail to close the magic circle, and this is your first row. Now we're gonna try and hide this end so we don't have to weave it in. So pull it over the yarn like so, and we will start round 2 by chaining 4. And again, this counts as a double crochet plus 1 chain. Now turn, again we're gonna crochet over this end, and we're gonna make in this chain 1 space 3 double crochet. So insert your hook, make sure the tail is over the hook, and make your 3 double crochet. And now if you want to further hide this end, what I do is pull it through the stitches. So I insert my hook underneath the stitch and pull the tail all the way to the next chain 2 space, and this way I make sure this yarn end will never unravel. And now into the chain 2 space we are going to make the corner by making 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and again 3 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. I'm making sure I crochet over my end. And now I leave my hem behind, I will cut it, and into the next chain 1 space I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. Now to form the corner on this side, I'm gonna chain 1, and into the third chain of chain 4, into this third chain I'm gonna make a double crochet. And this is the second row. Now turn, and we start row 3 with a chain 4. That counts as a double crochet and a chain. And then into this chain 1 space we're gonna make 3 double crochet. Into the space between the cluster of 3 double crochet, so this is not a chain, it's just a space. Into that space we make 3 double crochet, we're gonna make the corner again by making 3 double crochet in that chain 2 space, then chain 2 and 3 more three double crochet. Okay, and now we are on the other side of the half hexagon, and we're gonna make 3 double crochet in that space between the clusters below. And we're back to the corner, which is kind of a half of a corner. So it's this corner that's supposed to be on here, but we just made half of it. So it's chain 1 and a double crochet for the edge. So in that chain 1 space, make 3 more double crochet. Chain 1 and turn around if you can't see the chains into the third chain of that chain 4 you made. At the top there, we're gonna make a double crochet to close round 3. And this is how it looks like. This is the end. We're gonna cut it. You don't have to weave it in. Now we'll continue with round 4. Again, chain 4. And this is your repeating round. So depending how big you want this half granny square to be, you make as many rows as you like. And this is the row number 4 is the one to repeat. So chain 4 counts as a double crochet plus 1 chain. Into the chain 1 space, we are going to make 3 double crochet. Then 3 double crochet in every single space between the clusters. So we're talking about just these clusters that don't have chains in between. In every single space you make 3 double crochet. On this round you have two spaces, on the next one you have 3, and it will increase by 1 with every round. Pattern is the same. Like I said, this is your repeat row. So let's make 3 double crochet in every single space between clusters below. Another one, 3 double crochet, and now we have reached the corner. In that corner we're gonna make another corner by making 3 double crochet, then we chain 2, and in the same chain 2 space 3 more double crochet. And now we're back down on the other side, and again the repeat is 3 double crochet in every single space between clusters. In this case we have 2. On the next round, like I said, we're gonna have 3 and then 4, 5 and so on. So let's make these clusters, 3 double crochet in each space. And now we have reached the bottom half corner. I guess we can call it that, a half corner. In that chain 1 space we make 3 double crochet, and then we're gonna form another half corner, I guess, by chaining 1, and then into that third chain of chain 4, so that one there, a double crochet. And this is your row 4. Now for the ones who came to this video because of the sunflower blanket, I'm gonna crochet 1 more row for you. For the others who just want to learn how to make a triangle, like I said, this is your repeat row. So I'll be speeding up row 5 for the ones who came here through my sunflower blanket pattern, because they need to know how to make the 5th one. So like I said, I'll speed it up. You can slow it down if you like, but let's start with row 5. And this is the 5th row. This is how it looks like from the front and from the back. You can see it's double-sided, looks the same on both sides. And this is how you crochet a half granny square. I hope my tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!